Beakers, test tubes, and other scientific objects fill the space of this laboratory. It's not the equipment here that makes this lab special, but the research and the people. Research Assistant Professor Michael Ceballos says the lab is dedicated to providing hands-on research experience to Native American students.
We have students from Navajo country, we have students from Ojibwe country, we have students from local, Blackfeet, Salish communities, and so we have the opportunity to have an intertribally diverse learning environment.
Ceballos calls himself a trail mix of cultures, being part Tepehuane, Choctaw, and Cherokee. He helped open the Native American Research Laboratory last fall. Ceballos says Native people are underrepresented in sciences, and this space allows students to become more comfortable in laboratory settings. Biochemistry senior Jackson Chiefeldt got involved with the lab last year, but has always liked science.
Growing up, I always liked building models or making Estes rockets, and I was always into kind of nerdy things. And I don't know, science to me was always fun. So when I came to college, I just thought it'd be a fun thing to study.
Chiefeldt, who is part Assiniboine and Seminole, moved on from models and rockets to analyzing proteins. With the lab, Ceballos hopes to reach out to tribes across the nation and indigenous people from around the world.
Even though it's called the Native American Research Laboratory, we also employ non-Native and international students to get that cross-cultural interaction going.
Ceballos hopes the lab will help students become successful in the sciences. For UM News, I'm Natalie Newman.